Hello, welcome to Accounting Hub. I'm Professor George Scarpin, PhD in accounting, and our topic today is Excel, the function Vlookup. It's a very important function. A lot of students, professionals, they have problems using it, and it's very important if we are talking about business, not only accounting, but marketing, finance, and so on, human resources, everybody needs the VLOOKUP. And what is it? Let's go to our Excel file. And by the way, all our Excel files, they are free, and the link to download it is in our video description. And by the way, guys, subscribe our channel, like our video, like our Facebook page, Accounting Hub by Dr. Scarpin. And let's see what do we have here. So let me zoom a little bit. So we have some companies, and we have the identifier on stock market, the company name, industry name, country, revenue, net income, and total assets. Let me check how many companies do we have. We have more than 2,300 companies. But I don't want all of these companies. I want to check only 5 companies. Whoa, whoa, whoa. Zoom in, not zoom out. I want only 5 companies. I want the data of only these 5 companies here. Petróleo Brasileiro, Petrobras, from my home country, Brazil. ExxonMobil, Saudi Arabian Oil, Royal Dutch Shell, and Oriental Energy Company. And I want to know their industry name, country, revenue, net income, and total assets. We have some ways to do it. The first one, let's copy here and then Control F. We find it here and then we copy and paste. Not so easy, but not so smart to do that. And by the way, if we change some numbers, for instance, here, Petróleo Brasileiro, and then we copy this number and paste here. So, okay, we have the numbers. However, if we change the numbers here, instead of 75 million, let's 1.5 million, we don't change it here. So it is not so smart to do that. So let's delete this one. So how do we do that? Using the VLOOKUP formula. Go to formula, insert function, if you are not familiar with this yet, and VLOOKUP. VLOOKUP, what is it? We grab this name here. Excel will check all over this data, find this particular company, and then grab our info. So what do we want? We want Excel, look at this company here. Where? It's a table array. So where it is here, and then it's useful to press F4 because our table array will not change. So, okay. Whoa, 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 whoa. Okay, F4. Column index number. How many columns do we want Excel to move? So, industry name, it is the second column. Our table starts on column B, so it is the second column. So column number 2. And then range lookup. If this is the exact match with the companies here, we type false. That is what we usually do. Or it is not exactly the same name, but almost exactly. So we type true. Take care on typing true. If we have 2 companies with very similar names, Excel can grab the wrong one. So false here. Okay, this is the industry Name. Country of headquarters. We do the same. Let's take the most recently used, Vlookup. We are looking at this company again. Table array. Select everything. F4. Now, country is the third column. So, third column, whoops, 3, and then VLOOKUP false. And then look at this one, false, Brazil, it is the right one. If we change here to true, it will show us Australia. So probably there is an Australian name that the name is similar to this one. So that is the problem working with the true. So let's come back here. False. Brazil. Revenue. Let's do the same. VLOOKUP. Petróleo. The same array, but now revenue is the fourth column. Same here. Fourth column and false. Here is our revenue. Okay, the same format, so we are good. Net income, insert function, VLOOKUP, Petróleo Brasileiro again. And when you are quite familiar with this function, you can use the copy and paste for the column. You only need to work with the currency symbol and so on. But let's work step by step here. 1, 2, 3, 4, fifth column. Fifth column, false. We are good. Total assets, the last one, VLOOKUP. A2, table array, the same. Here. And usually it's much easier if our company is the first column here. So usually if it is not, we get an error message. Okay? So column number 6, false. We have our total assets. Let's double check here. Control F, Petróleo Brasileiro, 230 for assets 7 and 75. 237.75 Brazil integrated oil and gas. We wanted the other one, only copy and paste. And we have all of these numbers here. So Petróleo Brasileiro, integrated oil and gas, ExxonMobil oil and gas refining, Saudi Arabia and Shell integrated oil, and Oriental Energy from China, oil and gas refining and marketing. Country, Brazil, USA, Saudi Arabia, Netherlands, China. Revenue, the largest one is Shell. Based on net income, the largest one is Saudi Arabian. And based on total assets, the largest one is Royal Dutch. And the smallest one is the Chinese company, Oriental Energy Company Limited. Okay, guys, so this is how we work with VLOOKUP. Very, very useful function, especially if we have something like this. Huge number of data, and we want to grab one or some data. Hey guys, thank you so much. If you have questions or comments, leave it here or email me at jscarpin@gmail.com. Have a very nice day and God bless you.